Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple's most exciting flagship, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, just leaked in a surprising new color. Get ready for new awesome colors. Apple is gearing up to launch its iPhone 17 series lineup soon, as the company has dropped new phones just about every year at its time. Fresh details of the future phone are still up in the air, with some reliable leaks having dropped here and there, including the potential for a new iPhone 17 Pro design. Let's dive into the video for fresh leaks and launch details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A new leak from Sonny Dixon on X published potential colors for the top-of-the-line iPhone 17 Pro Max, as indicated by small color shades within the camera module. There are awesome new colors, including black, gray, silver, and dark blue. But there's a new orange color that's certainly unexpected. It's worth noting that we're only seeing a slight hint of the color, and it could be more of a copper than a traditional orange, as it's hard to tell the exact shade from the image Dixon shared. The image also reveals what could be all the color shades for the iPhone models based on the cameras. The iPhone 17 will reportedly come in black, gray, silver, light blue, light green, and light purple. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air could come in black, silver, blue-gray, and light gold. Even if it's a darker copper color with a hint of orange, I'd prefer it over the standard black, gray, silver, and dark blue that'll reportedly be available. We're still a couple of months away from the launch of the iPhone 17 series lineup, so plenty more rumors will drop between now and then. So far, we've heard about big changes coming to the dynamic island. In a minor change, Apple may be relocating the logo on the back of the iPhone 17 Pro models to a different position. It seems like an odd change, but with the rumored redesign of the camera module, a change to the overall back of the phone makes sense. For performance, photos have appeared showing off the vapor chamber, which could be featured in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. In addition, all four iPhone 17 models are rumored to feature internal design changes that result in better heat dissipation. A vapor chamber cooling system has been rumored for the Pro models. All four iPhone 17 models are said to feature an upgraded 24-megapixel front-facing camera, whereas all iPhone 16 models are equipped with a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. The new iPhone 17 lineup is expected to debut between September 11 to 13, 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.